So that's our starting point there. If you haven't developed identified a root cause, you need to develop a theory. If you have, then you probably need to start thinking about strategies. And we'll look in webinar 5 at where to find really effective strategies and how to implement them. But this one is, if you haven't identified the strategy, you need to find some. So that's the next step. And those are things that we can test. We're going to try a range of different things in order to see which one works. So we're researching interventions and we're looking to try them. This is where we come to the failure point number 2, which is we might have a really good understanding of what the challenge is, but we've chosen interventions that are unlikely to be successful. We haven't chosen good research-backed interventions, or we've chosen interventions that are flavor of the month. Maybe they're the latest, greatest new thing, when what we should be doing is falling back on really good, tried and true practice. And so some question frames for this: identifying strategies. What impact does strategy or practice, does explicit teaching, does maths games have on automaticity of basic facts for ELLs or for developing learners in maths? To what extent does practice improve an outcome for this group? You can see those there. Some examples: 5-minute retrieval practice have on multiplication accuracy, or co-constructed writing goals. That's the strategy. Strategies co-constructing, improve use of feedback. Explicitly taught transition routines, so tidying up our classroom routines, explicitly teaching them, that's a strategy. Peer feedback, there's a strategy. You can see those strategies start to come through here because we're ready to arrive at those. We have a theory about what's going on.